Excellence doesn't happen by accident. It's built day by day, step by step, mile by mile. It shows up early, stays late, and holds the line when it matters most. Across Union Pacific, in every role, in every corner of the system, there are moments that define us. Moments where people look out for one another, where safety is courage and commitment, where everyone understands that getting the job done right means getting everyone home safe. There are moments where promises are tested, where service means more than delivery, it means trust. Doing what we said we would do, when we said we would do it, no matter the challenge. And there are moments where excellence becomes visible, in precision and reliability, in the discipline to do the work better today than it was done yesterday. Because excellence isn't a finish line, it's momentum. It's pride in the work, confidence in the mission, and belief in what's possible. Where safety comes first, service is personal, and operational excellence is the expectation. This is a tradition built on those moments, built by our people who set the bar and those who continue to lift it higher. We celebrate that spirit, we recognize those who carry it forward, and we set what comes next. This is how we build America.